Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix radio in Hyundai Accent, full guide. Remove the key, disconnect the battery, and gather a panel tool and socket set before you start to prevent electrical shorts. Work patiently and label screws and connectors as you go. Test the harness with a multimeter for 12V and ground, and swap the head unit or fuses if a fault appears. If sound returns, secure the trim and enjoy your fixed radio. Start by checking fuses and external power before panel removal to save time and effort. Use a test light or multimeter to confirm 12V at the radio connector and verify ground continuity. Inspect antenna connection and speaker wires for corrosion or damage, and swap with a known working speaker if necessary. Note fault codes if the head unit displays errors, and consult service info for connector pinouts. Document each step. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car DIY guides. It really helps. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice for a fresh ride and a little humor. Check the video description for the link and other deals to save time on parts and accessories. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. After diagnostics, choose the appropriate repair path. Fuse replacement, wiring repair, antenna or head unit swap, or amplifier check. Carefully remove trim and secure screws to avoid damage, then reconnect or replace faulty connectors using solder or quality crimp terminals. Test the radio thoroughly for power, sound, and antenna reception before reassembly. If problems persist, consider professional diagnosis to avoid costly mistakes and preserve your car's electrical system. This approach saves time and money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.